Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS text transformation. And right now we'll be discussing about the CSS text transformation property with capitalized letters. The CSS text transformation property, the CSS text transform property is used to specify uppercase and lowercase letters in a text, and it can be used to turn everything into uppercase and lowercase letters or capitalize the first letter of each word. So I'm going to be showing you how all this works together so you can be able to follow along easily. So back to our document right here, we are having this. And if you notice very well, our first word right here is turning to lowercase. So definitely you should know that maybe all of this text is specified using lowercase. Now we are going to override that. Now I'm going to come here. I will select my H1 tag and I'm going to do like this text transformation. I'm going to use get text transform. I'm going to specify capitalize. When I specify capitalize, let's see what will happen to our H1 tag. Now reload. Can you see all the first letter in our word, in each words? Can you see turn to what? Capital letter. H turn to capital letter. This one also turn to capital letter. This one also turn to capital letter. So everything today even turn to capital letter. Each words turn to capital letter. That's what we had right here. You can use it to capitalize the first letter of each word. So that's what we are using now. We are using capitalized value to specify the capitalize of each word. As you can see, this one, this one, this one. So definitely, if we are not using this one now, if it's only this one we are having right here in our document, all the each word is going to turn to capital. Can you see? But when you use lowercase, it works differently. If it's lowercase, you are going to see everything is going to be in lowercase, and if it's uppercase, when we use uppercase, everything is going to be in uppercase. But when we use capitalize, which we just found out now, when we reload our document now, can you see each words turns capitalized. The first words of everything turns capitalized. So that's what I want you guys to know. You can find all this tutorial in this our CSS text transform playlist for you to be able to follow along easily. I don't have much time to spend on this, and I have one brief thing I have to let you know. The CSS text transformation property we have used so far is text transform property, and it can control the capitalization of text. So I want you guys to know that one. And in the next tutorial, we are still going to be using this in another dimension so that you can see what we can do with this. But let me show you one thing. Let's say for instance now you are trying to use text transformation property right here, and you now give maybe lowercase right here, and save your document. Let me reload. Can you see what happens? Your document doesn't reflect to this, so you should be aware. So by default, this is how your document is going to be looking. This by default looks. Can you see this is the default look? Unless you specify the capitalize, that's when the everything is going to change like this. So be aware of that. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye. And to the next. Thank you.